Hello friends, welcome to studyhub by Tejaswani YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to understand about letter of application. So, before starting it, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel so that you can get more uploads of my YouTube videos. Now let's begin. So, we write letter of application to take leave from school. So why do we write letter of application? We just write it to take leave from school, from college, from office or from any other thing. So we just take a paper and just write what is the reason why we are taking a leave and why and what is the duration of the leave. And it should be effective. We should state the reason correctly. It should be effective. That means it should be like the person who is reading your letter of application, your principal, your class teacher or any other person must understand it properly and it should be written correctly. There should no be error in spelling mistakes, nothing. There should be proper use of punctuation marks and question marks, exclamation and which we say viram chin. It should be correct. Okay, punctuation marks. It should be correct. Okay. Now let us study the format of letter of application. So this is the format of letter of application. So first is sender's address. First is sender's address. Then you need to write the date. So sender's address means the person who is sending. So I am sending. So my address. First of all, my address. Then write date. 1 minute, friends. So then write receiver's address. Receiver's address means you are sending to a person who is receiving. So that person is known as the receiver's address. Now the person, that means the place you want to send, write the address over here. That means this is the third step. Fourth is subject. Like all other things, like all other writings, this is also left aligned. This is also left aligned. In other writings, we don't know, in any other of the writings that we studied, we do not use the right alignment. We use the left alignment. So in this also, we will be using the left alignment. Okay. So now sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, then subject. Then you need to write the subject. Subject means dear ma'am, dear sir, or respected ma'am, respected sir. Okay. So write salutation over here. Fifth. Then you need to write body. Body should have your name, your class. Then the reason why are you taking the leave and the duration which you are taking the leave. That means you want leave for 1 day, you want leave for 2 days, you want leave for 3 days or a week or fortnight. You need to write over here. Then kindly grant me. Kindly grant me the duration. That means just assume you are taking 5 days leave. Then write kindly grant me 5 days leave. 5 days leave. Okay. Then you need to write closing. So this is the step number 6. Then you need to write the closing. In closing, this should be order wise. I am Tejaswani Chaudhary from class 6th B, and I want holidays for my, like you got fever, you got viral fever. So I want leave as I have got viral fever. So viral fever, yes, viral fever, and the doctor has told me to take a leave of 5 days, minimum 5 days leave. So in reason I already told the duration. Then kindly grant me 5 days leave. It should be short. The body should be short. Okay. And the closing. How will you write the closing? Tejaswani Chaudhary and signature class 6B. Okay. So Tejaswani Chaudhary class 6B. Okay. So this is how we can write a letter of application. So there are total 8 steps of writing. First, sender's address. Second, date on which you are writing. date on which you are writing. So sender's address, date, receiver's address, then subject. Then what you need to write? Then we need to write salutation. So salutation. Salutation means you can write respected ma'am, respected sir, dear ma'am, dear sir, anything you can write. Then you need to write body, closing and signature. Okay? So sender's address, then date, receiver's address, then subject, then you need to write salutation, body, closing and signature. Okay? And you need to also remember these 4 things: name, class, reason, duration and kindly grant me. So whenever you are writing kindly grant me, when you are writing these 3 things, after leaving some space, then write kindly grant me the number of days you want to leave. Then you write closing and then write signature. This is how you can write a letter of application. Let us understand. Let us see an example. Come on. So come on. Let us write letter of application. So first was sender's address. You can write any address. Like I am writing GK Villa Marg 2601. 2601. I am writing this. You can write any address. If you don't know any address, you can write anything. Anything you can write. So if you are in the point of view when you are writing your exam, you can write any address. Teacher don't know what address you are writing, and she or he is not going to post it to somewhere else. Now, so you write any address. Okay. So this address. Then what was date? So today's date is 27 June 2023. Okay. Then date. Then what were I supposed to write? Then we were supposed to write the sender's address. Sorry, receiver's address. So again we can write any of the address, but don't write this same address. You can write NG12 and you can write sector 365. Like this you can also write. So NG12 sector 365. Okay. Then you can write anything. Unless write anything. You can write anything. Then then it was salutation. So salutation we can write like you are writing to ma'am. Then you write dear ma'am. Dear ma'am. Then put a comma. Then you need to write your body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So then So then we need to also write to subject. Then we also need to write subject. Subject. You are taking a leave. So you can write subject leave application. Then write leave application. Okay? Okay. So then we are supposed to write the salutation. Salutation is dear ma'am. Put a comma. Okay? Then you need to write your whole body. Whenever you are writing your whole body, leave a space. 1 line space maximum. 1 or 2 line space maximum. Leave a line. Minimum, sorry. So in a body it consisted of name and class. Okay, now let's write. I am Tejaswini Chaudhary of class 6th B. So I am Tejaswini Chaudhary of class 6th B. And what I am going to next is our reason. So, okay, I have 4 topics for you. You can choose any of the topic and write it same in any of your language. First reason is, suppose you are so Sohan of KL Global School, Noida. That means your name is Sohan. Your name is Sohan, and you are studying in School of Global School, Noida. You are ill. So you are ill. Okay. So write an application to your principal for sick leave. So you need to write a leave application to your principal for your sick leave. This question I will explain you later. First, let's understand the three. Write a letter requesting leave to attend your cousin's wedding. You want to go in your cousin's wedding and you need to give a leave letter to your any school staff. That means your father principals. Write a letter requesting leave for attending a festival. For attending a festival, you want a leave. Write a letter requesting leave due to fever. You need a leave because of fever. You need a leave because you got fever. Now first, suppose you are Sohan of KS Global, Noida. Over here, first statement, Sohan. So over here I will write I am Sohan. Class you can choose anything. I am choosing over here 6th B. I am Sohan of class 6th B. Then it is written Global School, Noida. Then you will write over here. Global School, Noida. Global School, Global School, Noida. Over here, already given the receiver's address. Then write over here Global School, Noida. Then you are ill. Over here, I will write next. I am. So I'll tell you which I am going to choose. I am going to choose fourth one. Write a letter requesting leave due to fever. So So I want a leave as I have got fever. So I want a leave as I have got fever. I have got fever, so I am taking a leave for the So then you can write I have asked a doctor. He said you need to rest for minimum 7 days. So for minimum 7 days, I don't have space for writing days, so I am writing 7. So over here, you are ill. Then you will write I want to leave as I am ill. So I have asked the doctor. He said you need to rest for minimum 7 days. Then 7 days after this. So this is how you need to write this, and just imagine this everything, and when you will read it 4 to 5 times, you will easily understand it what is the format of this leave application. Now let's come to next. So for minimum for 7 days. Then we already told the reason why name and class. Then we already told the reason why are we taking a leave. Then the duration of the leave, and then what was that? Kindly grant me 7 days leave, no? Okay. So we had written 7 days leave here. We can also write a week leave. I want a week leave. Okay. So days. Then after leaving a line, right here, kindly grant me a week leave. kindly grant me a week leave. So over here we have written a week leave. That is why we are writing a week leave. If we had written 7 days leave, then we will write 7 days leave. Okay. Then the next part was closing. In closing, we will write our name, our class and our section. Okay. Name was Tejashwani Chaudhary. I know my name is very big, so it is fitted in my whole board. Then class 6th B. Okay, so class 6th B, and this is how we can write a leave letter. So over here we will write like this: class 6th B. Class 6B. This is how to write a leave application. So if you want a leave and want to give your principal or any other person the leave, then you can use this format, this leave letter for to give to your principal or your staff. So I hope in this much time you have like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel so that you can get more uploads of my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching and bye bye. And please comment on my YouTube videos. You're not commenting in my YouTube videos and you're not hitting like button also. So please do that. Thank you.